an outstanding effort from all the players. It's heart, hunger, handle. They carried the end with absolute command. Nerve, nuance, now. Bangladesh delivered exactly when it mattered.
When I saw the wicket was little bit turn and low, so slow side. So I tell to my all the batsmen to play your normal game, attacking in the power play, because if you took 30-40 run in the power play, it will be easier to bat in the later part.
Yes, indeed. And it turned out to be easy at the end too. Okay, quite an emphatic win. Well done for that. Your team must be very happy. But you've got the BPL, which is part of the preparation for the World Cup. So that'll be a crucial time for all the players in different teams, but all the players individually.
Yeah, whoever play, wherever play, if they play their 100% cricket, it will be help in the Bangladesh team as well. So I want all the players, whenever they play BPL, they will perform, and came for the national team, they will did the same thing.
Well, you have brought the smiles back to all your supporters here and all around the country and all around the world. And that's what they want you to do. Play good cricket, doesn't matter if you win or lose.
Yeah, definitely. And can I say something?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you, চিটাগাংবাসী। অলওয়েজ আমি একটা কথা আগের বার বলেছিলাম যে আমরা হয়তোবা আপনাদেরকে ওইভাবে সাপোর্ট করতে পারি নাই, জিততে পারি নাই, বাট চেষ্টা করেছি এবং আমরা সিরিজটা উইন করেছি এবার। সো আপনারা সবসময় আসবেন এবং সামনে বিপিএল, আপনারা আসলে ভালো লাগে, মাঠটা ফুলফিল থাকে এবং আমরা খেলতে অনেক মজা পাই। সবসময় সাপোর্ট করবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
Thank you very much, Liton. Best of luck. Liton Kumar Das just thanking the crowd here for their support, whether they win or lose. It's been very emphatic, very good win by Bangladesh, 2-1. They take the series, and Liton Kumar Das now goes across to collect that winner's trophy from Mr. Najmul Abidin Fahim. The Dutch Bangla Bank T21 series won by Bangladesh, 2-1. Congratulations, Bangladesh.
Some very nice words from skipper Liton Kumar Das, urging the fans to stay beside them and also thanking them as Bangladesh go on to seal the series 2-1 against Ireland. Bold, brave, balanced. Bangladesh closed the series on their terms. It was an outstanding effort from all the players. It's heart, hunger, handle. They carried the end with absolute command. Nerve, nuance, now. Bangladesh delivered exactly when it mattered, and they deserved it all. Outstanding performance from Bangladesh. It's the last international series for them before they go for the World Cup, upcoming T20 World Cup next year. It was a great preparation, and also the Bangladesh Premier League coming up. So the players will be looking to give their best and prepare accordingly for the mega event. Right, Ireland, on the other hand, will also be looking to correct their mistakes. There are a lot of positives for them, but for Bangladesh, it's a good thing that they finish things on a high. I'm sure you enjoyed the live coverage. We do. And thank you very much for all of us. Stay safe. A very good night from all of us.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T-Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.